Hey everyone, so this is our today's trading breakdown, which was based on candle behavior, trend direction, and moving average confirmations. To join our channels, you can just click on the link in description. So let's begin with our signals today. The session started right here, and the first signal was for Amazon OTC for the call side, 5 minutes black timer. Here you can just check out. This was a very good win. In this, the previous candle left upper wick, and the price respected the moving average, and this candle signaled the selling pressure was there, so we took a put trade right here with a very good entry, and we won this trade. You can just check out. Amazing win right there for the put side. Our entry was good, so we just won this trade. Then the next signal was for ExxonMobil OTC for the call side. Here you can just check out. This was also good win. In ExxonMobil OTC, there was a clear continuation pattern, and the price respected the moving average. Based on the trend continuation, we entered a call trade right here, and we won this trade. Amazing win. You can just check out. Then the next signal was for Pfizer OTC for the call side. Here, this was also a very good one. In this, the price was in a downtrend, and the previous candle completely fulfilled the lower wick and left an upper wick, showing that rejection from the top. And this was a very good time to buy this trade for the call side, and we took this trade and we won this trade. Because when the previous candle fulfills the lower wick, it is indicating a upside move. Yeah. Then the next signal was for Cisco OTC for the put side. Here you can just check out. The price was in a downtrend, and the price was below the moving average. You can just check out. Following the trend direction, we took this as a put trade right here, and our entry was good. Amazing win. You can just check out. So these were our signals for today for non-martingale wins. All were wins. So that's what it is. If your entry is good, your logic is good, you can win any of the trades. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.